If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Update queries in Access let you make large-scale updates to table data if the records match specified criteria. For example, if you needed to update area codes in a phone number field, if the phone number contained a specified exchange, you could accomplish that with an update query. Unlike the standard select queries in Access, when creating update queries, you only need to add the fields to update and the fields needed for criteria purposes to the QBE grid in the Query Design view. If you do not want to update all the records in the selected table when you run an update query, then you must specify the criteria by which to update the records. That way, when you run the update query, you will apply the specified updates only to the records that match the criteria. To create an update query in Access, first create a new query in Query Design view. Then click the Update button in the Query Type button group on the Design tab of the Query Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. When you do this, the layout of the QBE grid changes slightly. You will then see a new Update To row appear in the QBE grid. Then add the table to update from the Add Tables pane to the Query Design view. Then add only the fields from the selected table you need to update and any fields needed for criteria purposes into the QBE grid. After that, enter the value to which to update the desired field into the Update To row of the QBE grid under the field to update. Next, apply the criteria by which to select the records to update into the other field or fields as needed. You can then run the query to start the update. After running the query, a dialog box appears to tell you how many rows you are about to update. If this number is correct, click Yes to continue to update the selected records. If this number looks incorrect, you can click No to abandon the update and double-check your criteria. Be extremely careful when you make an update to a table, as it can only be reversed by another update query or by hand. You cannot undo the effects of an update query in Access after running it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.